Where will AIOps be in less than 5 years? AIOps is set to evolve into a decision-making partner. Self-adjusting predictive systems that AIOps will detect patterns and reshape performance parameters in real time. Contextual event resolution. Systems will learn when to escalate, delay, or ignore based on actual business impact. Deeper collaboration with AIOps. Expect closer ties between AIOps, change management, and incident resolution layers. Continuous feedback loops. Historical data will evolve system behavior automatically. Natural language AIOps will become more conversational while taking spoken instructions. Expanded use in non-IT teams. Finance, security, and compliance will plug into AIOps signals. Unified control planes, fewer dashboards. More trust. Systems that think, act, and report. Looking for the right AIOps software? Visit Infron.